Hi everyone, I hope you're staying positive and keeping yourself busy during this time. My name is Angelica and welcome to my channel. So today's video will be kind of the base for my future DIY projects. I love making macrame, anything like wall hanging, piece of jewelry or home decor item, anything what involves macrame knots. So I've decided to show you and explain the best I can how to make the basic macrame knots. So there will be 5 different knots which you can practice, and after that you will have the basic knowledge of macrame and be able to make more difficult projects in the future. So for this tutorial I'm only using a piece of wood like a stick and cotton rope. So if you got all of these items, make yourself comfortable and let's start. To start any of macrame project, you have to attach your cord to a piece of wood. Take your cord and fold it in half. Create a loop put over your wood, just like this. Then take your working cord and pull it through the loop. Pull it until your cord is wrapping the wood tight. And that is the way we make Lark's head knot. To create reserve Lark's head knot, simply put your cord under the stick and pull wrapping cord through the loop. I usually use the first option as it's more aesthetical for me. For square knot, you will need 4 working knots. To begin, take the first cord from the left side and move it to the right over the middle filler cord and under the last cord. Now take working cord from your right side and move it to the left under the 2 filler cords and over the first working cord. Pull both working cords to tighten . That is half square knot. Now we have to repeat the process, but starting with the cord on your right and taking cord from the left hand side through the loop. Now pull both working cords to tighten and your left facing square knot is complete. As you can see, 2 middle strings are staying still and you are working only with the cords from the side. There is 2 types of square knots, right facing square knot and left facing square knot. Difference is which cord you use as the first one, left one or right one. At the end, it doesn't really matter which one you are using, both are correct. This one is really easy if you already practiced the square knot. For this knot, you will need 4 working cords. So starting with the left cord, move it to the right, over the filler cord and under the last cord. Pull both side cords to tighten around the filler cords. Repeat the process all over again and you will notice spiral. This knot will create lovely lines in your project. It can be made horizontally or diagonally. So let's start with your horizontal one. Take the first cord from your left side, it can also be the one from your right side, and hold it horizontally across the other cords. Now take the second cord from your left and bring it forward, up and around the first cord. Make another loop using the same cord. Now we got two knots sitting next to each other. Take the third cord from your left and repeat the process. Basically, each of the loose rope has to go twice around the horizontal one. With the diagonal clove hitch situation is very similar. Just in this case, you hold your first rope diagonally across the other cords. You will need a separate length of cord. Form a long U-shaped loop on the top of the group of cords you want to gather together. Starting from the top, take one cord and wrap it around the filler cords and loop. Go all the way down until you get small loop at the bottom. Now take your loose cord and pull it through that loop. Catch the top cord and pull it so your bottom loop will start disappearing. Trim both ends of the cord for a better finish. So there we go, our 5 basic macrame knots. Hope you found it easy and understood it all. Now you just have to practice and practice. In the future I will be adding more DIY videos when I'm using this knot, so knowing the basic will make future project much easier, and I won't have to explain again each knot I'm using. Or if you just forgot how to make one of them, you can simply come back to this episode. So I hope you enjoyed this video and find it useful. If yes, please click the like button and consider subscription so you won't miss any of my DIY projects and future videos. Thank you for watching, stay safe and see you next time.